Here is a Nissan Versa. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem, is the secondary hood release lever. Pull it up, and while it's pulled up, lift up the hood with your second hand. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab it. Put it right in that slot. Make sure it's in there. Now let go of the hood, and now it is secure. Now once the hood is open, that right there where the engine air filter is, to access it we need to undo two clips. One, just pull it back. The second one over there, just pull it back, and now we can lift up the cover. We need to make sure that the two tabs on the cover, they clear from those two slots over there. So lift up the cover and then sort of pull it outwards. Good. See, now those tabs are sticking out. They're clear from the slots there. That's good. At this point we can lift up the cover comfortably and access the filter. Just grab the filter and pull it out. The bottom side of the filter is the dirty side. That's where the dirt is trapped. And the top side is the clean side. So the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped there, and then clean air from the top goes in the engine. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And before you put the new filter in, if you want, you can sort of vacuum clean this if it's really dirty. And the new filter should be the exact dimensions as the old one, so that when you put it in, it should just go right in and drop in. It shouldn't be sticking out, it should not be moving, and that's good. And now we need to make sure that those two tabs, they slide into the slots there. 1 and 2. Good. At this point we can put those clips on. If those tabs are not in position, you will not be able to put the clips on. Just push the clips back on. 1 and 2. Let's do a recap. Both the clips are in position, both the tabs are in position, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, and then push it down to secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.